So we want to track the displacement and distance between two numbers on the number line. So we're going to show the calculations and the appropriate use of absolute value function. So we want to find the displacement from, so starting at negative 4.5, which is right here, to positive 3.4, which is about here. Okay, so we're going to go in this direction. Okay, so that's a positive displacement. So if I want to find the displacement, the calculation looks like this. It's going to be the end minus the starting position. Okay, remember the positions are to do with the positives and negatives. And so we're going to end up with a positive 7.4. Okay, so it's moved to the right, 7.4. Yeah, my picture indicates that that is correct. The distance from 5.1, positive 5.1, so again this is a location, so 5.1 is right about there, to positive 3 is right about there, so we're going to go in this direction. Now that is the displacement, but really we don't want displacement. For this one we just want the distance, so we just want to know how far apart those are. Okay, so I'm going to I can do, it doesn't really matter if I do end minus start now, because in either direction we're going to take away, the distance will be the same, but the displacement is different. So here we're going to end up with positive 3 minus 5.1, so we get the absolute value of negative 2.1. Okay, so we end up with a distance of 2.1. So this represents a distance of 2.1. The displacement was to the left, but the distance is 2.1. And lastly, when we work out the distance from 6.0 to 2.3, or negative 2.3, right about there. Okay, again, if we want the displacement, we'd be going to the left or negative. But since we want distance, we're going to take away the direction. So we're going to end at 2.3. We're going to subtract 6.0. Okay, and then we want to take away the direction with the absolute value. So here I end up with negative 9 or 8.3. And we're going to take away the direction or the absolute value of it, which gives us 8.3. So we have a distance of 8.3 units from 6 to negative 2.3.